The science of sleep. High school students don't get enough sleep. How do I know this? Because I'm making this video right now instead of sleeping. According to the Nationwide Children's Hospital, the average amount of sleep a teenager needs a night is 9.5 hours. I interviewed 45 teenagers and had them answer a poll saying whether they felt they got enough sleep every night and how much sleep they got a night. Out of those 45 teenagers, the average amount of sleep every night was 5.6 hours. This is almost 4 hours underneath the recommended 9.5 hours. Definitely not healthy. There are a lot of health problems associated with not getting enough sleep. Sleepiness can cause, obviously, drowsiness, anxiety, depression, and mood swings in teenagers. These are already things that happen in teenagers, but they're a big cause of them. And according to the National Sleep Foundation, drowsiness causes more than 100,000 car crashes a year. They found that intoxicated people and people that are drowsy have the same driving performance. Not good. And there's some advantages to getting sleep. Sleeping, it can boost your immune system, it can help you lose weight, it boosts mental well-being, gets rid of anxiety, decreases the chance of mood swings, prevents diabetes, and helps ward off heart disease. So I did an experiment. I tried different amounts of sleep over winter break in the past few weeks. I got 6 hours of sleep for 4 nights, 7 hours for 4 nights, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours, and I tried different amounts. And I also wanted to factor in caffeine, because I read that caffeine is a stimulant, and it stimulates your mind, it keeps you up, it makes your sleep less valuable. So I slept 2 nights of each out of the 4, with caffeine and without, and I found that any night sleeping with caffeine was not good sleep. I always woke up, I felt tired, I felt bad, I was like, I just want to go back to bed. But the nights that I did not have caffeine, I found that between 6 and 8 hours of sleep, not enough, nowhere near enough. Now, when I got more toward 9, 10, 10 and a half, I felt pretty good. I think 9 and 10 hours is a great amount of sleep. I know not everybody can get that, so I guess I could shoot for more of an 8 hours of sleep, but at least 8 hours of sleep should be necessary. Now, interestingly, I found that 11 and 12 hours of sleep, I felt more drowsy than I did getting 9 and 10. This is due to getting too much sleep, and then it just, it gets you in a mood where you just want to lay down, you don't want to do anything, and that's not good for you. So don't go to bed at 6 in the afternoon if you wake up at 6 in the morning to go to school. So make sure you're getting enough sleep. Helps with depression, anxiety, gets rid of all these things we're aiming to get rid of. So yeah, that's the science of sleep.